Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop the Photos app from adjusting picture brightness on Windows 11. Same as its predecessor, Windows 11 is still darkening photos dramatically in the Photos application for a lot of users. Basically, it will show the photo properly for about a quarter second then alter the current brightness level to a much darker and somber setting. Many have even said that the new and improved software insists on reorienting portrait mode pictures to landscape, which may be even more annoying than adjusting the brightness. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. Apparently, the app has a mind of its own and will start tweaking brightness settings even without your command or consent. Although this is not a system-threatening issue, many are seriously annoyed by this and would like a way to put an end to it. Luckily, we are here to assist you and make sure that you enjoy your images without having to worry about this. Let's start. First, click on the search icon on your taskbar. Type PowerShell and click to open the app. Enter the following command and press enter. And restart your PC. And that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.